In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create message templates in SMS-iT. So on the left-hand rail, you're going to scroll down to Messages and click the arrow to open it up. You'll notice over here on the left, Message Templates. Click there. Now, in the Message Templates section, you'll mouse over the blue Actions button and click Add Message Template. Now you're going to give it a name. I'm going to call it SMS-iT Demo Template. Now you can also upload a file, but it's easy enough to just type in your template. Now I'm going to say, hey, this is Matt. I just wanted to remind you that, and maybe I just want this template in there with that starter so that I can use it before I send out a message blast. Maybe I'm going to put a couple spaces here because I want to put my website at the end all the time. I may say, as always, head over to mywebsite.com, whatever my website is, and I hit save. Now I've got a message template created. So when I scroll down, if I decide I'm going to send out a message to folks, when I go in to send it, you'll notice that I can say I'm going to send it to a group. I'm going to send this out to my SMS-iT group, and down here, as I get ready to do my message, notice I can choose message template and then choose my SMS-iT demo template. And there we go. Hey, this is Matt. I just wanted to remind you that, and now I can fill in the blank. SMS-iT is an amazing tool for your business. And then I can say, as always, head over to my website, and then I can send my message. So that's how easy it is to create a message template in SMS-iT.